If you're managing grant funds, program budgets, and funder reporting deadlines all in separate spreadsheets, or worse, in your head, this template was built for exactly that. Here's a full walkthrough of the nonprofit budget tracker from Growth Grid Designs. Open the file and you land on the dashboard. At the top, 6 KPI cards update automatically: total grant funding, grants drawn down, total program budget, program spend to date, beneficiaries served, and a live count of reports due in the next 14 days. You never edit these cards directly, they pull from everything else in the tracker. Below the KPIs are 3 charts: a grant drawdown breakdown showing awarded versus drawn versus remaining by grant, a program budget versus actual spend comparison, and a reporting status summary. The whole dashboard is a live readout of your organization's financial health, no manual updating required. Jump to the Grants tab. This is where you log every grant award, funder name, status, active, pending, closed, award date, total award amount, and how much has been drawn down. The remaining balance and percentage drawn columns calculate automatically. You'll also see a reporting due column, which feeds directly into the reporting tab. Blue cells are your input fields. White cells are calculated, leave those alone. The Programs tab tracks budget versus actual spend across every program or initiative your organization runs. Enter the program name, lead, category, annual budget, and actual spend to date. Variance and percentage of budget used calculate live. There's also a beneficiaries served column. This feeds the KPI card on the dashboard, so your impact number is always current without copying anything manually. The Reporting tab is where you track every funder obligation in one place. Log the grant or funder name, report type, due date, status, and submission date. The days to deadline column calculates automatically from today's date, and the dashboard's reports due less than 14 days card counts any open reports approaching fast. No more missed deadlines buried in email. Everything surfaces to the top. Before you start entering your own data, head to Settings. Enter your organization name and fiscal year, then select your display currency from the drop-down. The tracker supports 20 currencies: USD, EUR, GBP, and 17 more. Once selected, every dollar figure across the entire workbook converts automatically. One setting, one update, done. To make this your own, start in Settings, then move to Grants and enter your active and pending awards. Fill in programs next with your current program budgets and actuals. Finally, log your reporting obligations in the Reporting tab. The dashboard populates as you go. No formulas to write, no formatting to touch.